There'll be no answers in the comments questions, so I won't end with the typical outro thingy. Save your money. That is all. Hello, everyone. I am not sure how to start this video. This is a whoop warning. Geez, I don't know. I don't want to feed into hype, but there is a whoop coming that I can't show you that I think you should very much save your money for. If you fly analog whoops, that is. If you fly DJI whoops, I'm not talking about these. No, I'm not talking about the Meteor 75 Pro 04 wide to what have you. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about an analog high performance whoop. And I've decided to create or record this short video because I've kind of been handing that out in drips and drabs as I hear from people and messages about, whoops and people asking me. And I've been like, oh, kind of hold off. I don't want to. I don't want to create some sort of hysteria or hype or whatever the cliche of the day is about, marketing, but there is a whoop that is coming at some point in time. I don't exactly know when, and I've been flying it and I've been enjoying it, but I can't show it to you yet. It's one of those media embargo things. No, I didn't sign a contract. I never sign any contracts. Anybody that comes to ask me to sign a contract, I just ignore them. The only contracts I signed were things for like our house or for our kids to go to school, places, things like that. But this one is really fun and it's really good, but it's not without its warts. It's not a perfect whoop. It is just the best performing whoop I have flown. And if you fly whoops, I would like to see a lot of people try it and tell me if I'm crazy or not. So if you are thinking about buying a whoop, or you don't have a whoop and are thinking about buying a whoop, or you've never had a whoop and you should get a whoop, which I think you should get a whoop because I think whoops are the best. And well, it's always fun. I have never met or heard of someone that flies drones that doesn't just enjoy flying a whoop, because it's crazy what they can do. And because I think they're so small and they're just kind of innocuous that it's kind of like the purest form of enjoyment for FPV. That's why I think whoops are the best. Anyways, that's not prescriptive. That's just off the top of my head. So in the short run, save your money if you're into whoops, you're thinking about getting a whoop, or this might be the one that finally pushes you over the edge to go get a whoop. Save your money because it's delayed. I don't know how long it's going to be delayed. It's already been delayed a week or two. I can't even remember at this point how long I've had it. I think I've had it. Is it getting close to 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks? I can't remember. I've just been flying it and flying it and flying it. So save your money if you're interested in whoops. There's a whoop coming. It's really, really good. It's not perfect. It's not without its warts, but the flight performance is really, really good. And now I have no idea if I'll even release this video. There'll be no answers in the comments questions, so I won't end with the typical outro thingy. Save your money. That is all.